If you're required to complete a selling application for a product in the Amazon store, it's essential to provide clear pictures of your physical product and its packaging. These images will be reviewed by Amazon to help verify that your product meets all necessary requirements, including proper labeling, safety standards, and category-specific criteria. You will need to include front and back images of your product and packaging, or from all sides if you're requesting a GTIN exemption, and ensure that your images clearly show a permanently attached product label that displays the brand owner or manufacturer's name and current contact information that includes either a complete physical address, a website URL, or a phone number. Additionally, all label information such as the branding, product name, or ingredients must be clearly visible and easy to read. You may use a smartphone camera to capture your images since they are solely for application review and won't appear on product detail pages. Note that we won't accept stock images, digitally altered, or computer-generated mock-ups in place of photos you take yourself. Before submitting your images, be sure to check that each picture matches the exact product and country or region that you're applying to sell in. During the application review process, Amazon may contact you if additional information is needed. To find more details for products or categories requiring approval in Seller Central, you can search for and review the Categories and Products that Require Approval help page.